Upside down, inside out. I'm about to show all you fakes what it's all about.